Let it go, let it go. I'm tired of burping. Wow. Oh my god. Okay guys, so today we're going to be going backwards and I'm going to be taking it off, and by it I mean my makeup. So when I take my makeup off, the first thing that I always do is I take off my lashes, and when I take them off I go from the outer corners to the inner corners like that. Guys, you're not going to rip your eyelashes out, so don't be scared. I rip them off and my eyes are still off my face, so next, I'm going to be going into my Johnson's Daily Essentials Cleansing Wipes, and these are the ones I chose. These are the ones for dry skin. So guys, these wipes are really essential in my routine because I really like to like double cleanse. So I take my makeup off with a wipe and then I still go in with a face wash afterwards, just to make sure that everything comes right off. And there's no special trick to taking off your makeup, just rub it off. Okay, but one thing, like I do like to take my eye makeup off last. So I first take my face makeup off, and then my eyes. And I have no reason for that because that's just how I like to do it. Okay guys, if you are just like one of those people who just like washes your face at the end of the night, if anything, these wipes are the way to go because they literally take off everything. It's basically a 5-in-1 moisturizing whole situation. So it cleanses, removes waterproof makeup, provides lasting moisture, smooths and softens your skin and all those good things. So be sure, get that. Next, cotton pads and Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. I use this on my eyes because it has no fragrance. Not like the other stuff doesn't have fragrance either, but I just prefer this for my eyes. It takes it off so well. And it removes makeup, cleanses, soothes, all of those good things. You can use it on your face, your eyes, and your lips. Wow. Then I just like to put this right on there and then stick it on my eye like such, and then I leave it for a while just to get like it like removing, like it breaks down the makeup. No, I look like a weirdo, but it's like I'm a freaking circus clown, guys. Please send help. Okay, and then once that's like been on there for a while, I just like wipe it off and it comes right off, which is freaking cool. And I just want to be super, well, as gentle as I can be with this part because we don't want wrinkles. I'm just wiping gently and under the eye as well. And this stuff takes all your mascara off as well. Like, wow, it's the bomb. Okay, and then other eye. And wait. Oh, love that. Like, it just came right off. So satisfying. So now that my makeup is off, I need to wash my face. So the face wash that I'm going to be going into is the GlamGlow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. And this helps take makeup off as well. So I like to use it for double cleansing. And I use my facial brush from Sorbet. It's called Pour Your Heart Out, and you can get it at like Discount. No, at Pixi. You can get it at Pixi. Now, I'm going to put this thing on. And put some product on here and just go over my face for 60 seconds because that is how long you should wash your face for, so that the product works properly. So the reason why I'm using this facial brush is because it actually helps get the product like deeper into your pores and gives you more of a refined clean than just your fingertips. So I enjoy using this a lot more than just my hands, just so that I know my face is like extra clean. Wow, this is going everywhere. So I enjoy using this a lot more than just my hands, just so that I know my face is like extra clean. Wow, this is going everywhere. See all the makeup on the towel. That's why I double cleanse. Okay guys, so my skincare is pretty expensive, but it's not as expensive as the others that are out there. But your skin is so worth it, so I highly recommend investing in your skin if you can. So next, I'm going to be going in with my Pixi Skin Treats Glow Tonic. And I'm just going to take this on my cotton pad again, and this is just a toner. And I'm just going to wipe that all over the face. And this just helps with, it's a mild exfoliator, and it also helps with making your pores a bit smaller, and it also helps give you like a natural healthy glow as well. And I can already see that there's more makeup coming off my face. Next, moisturizer. My favorite step. So for moisturizer, I'm going to be going in with the Pixi Skin Treats Rose Ceramide Cream, and it's an intensive moisturizer, and it's great for my skin because I have really dry skin. So I'm just going to take a little bit of that and massage it into the skin. You must always remember to put moisturizer and your skincare all over your neck as well, because the first place that will show aging is your neck. And always upward motions. No wrinkles, not glass, no sweetie. Almost done. We're gonna go into our Clinique All About Eyes eye cream. I've been using this for quite a while, and I must say, I'm really loving it. It's been helping with like depuffing and just overall hydration, which I desperately need. You just want to be really gentle with your under eyes and use your ring finger always, because this has the least muscles. And this is what it looks like. And last but not least, lip balm, because my lips feel like they're gonna fall off after all of that. And I have like really dry lips, and now that winter is here, my lips need to be hydrated at all times. Oh my god, I have a hack. So if you have long nails, you just need to like stick it in and like scrape it along there. Science! So that's my skincare routine done, and it is time for me to go to bed. And guys, please remember, no matter how tired you are, no matter how drunk you are, no matter what time you get home in the morning, take your makeup off. Your skin will love you for it. Bye!